Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have 2 monthly subscription boxes from a&aglitter. Now the reason why I have 2 is because my May box went missing. I contacted April asking for the tracking details. She basically sent me out another one, which I thought was very sweet. She didn't have to do that. So that's May, and then this morning I received this month. So I got these 2 literally in a couple of days. And I also got an order of her acrylics. She's just launched some acrylics. And I was looking and I thought, you know what, it's just easier if I get the starter pack bundle. So that's what I did. I'm not going to show you it in this video. I will do a separate video because it might be a bit of a long one, because I want to also swatch the acrylics. Okay. So let's start off with May. Now I pay, it's a £20 box. It's the gold subscription. I'll put it up on screen because I'm not very good at the old explaining thing. So comes in a lovely box. Oh, do you know, that scared me so badly. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, so you always get this card in. So yeah, you have the website here. They're on Facebook, Instagram, and obviously YouTube. Yeah. So in this box, I love this box so much. I never get disappointed. And if you know me, you know that I have a real problem when it comes to glitters. So this box is perfect for me because you get a fair few glitters, some nail art bits. Yeah, so let's I don't know how to do it. Let me just put it over here. And we will start with the glitters. So we have Fruit Salad Pop special mix. Okay, I thought this was the same as my other, but it's not. Because these ones, if you can see there, have dots. Let me see. I don't think it's the same. Because this one is Fruit Salad Special Mix. No, it's not. The pop is the circles and the Fruit Salad Special Mix is hexagons. I had this on my nails not long ago. Okay, so Fruit Salad Pop Special Mix. Pretty, love this colour for spring, summer. Okay, let's go with this orange. So we have neon orange 00 or 0.008 fine cut. Just a standard neon orange. Then we have Pearl White Mega Mix. This is bloody beautiful. I love this one so much. Then we got Party Time Pastel Stars. These are really beautiful. I don't have any of these. Well, in this colour anyway. There's a pastel pink, a lilac, a blue and a green. Am I showing you? Probably not. And they're hollow, and then the little stars that are cut out are also in there. That is a beautiful one. Then we have Psychedelic. I love this. This is very, very pretty. Orange, green, pink and a purple. That's very pretty. Then Neon Pastel Tangerine. Love that. Gorgeous. Bubblegum Blitz. Jelly Beans Special Mix. This is really, really pretty. Oh, I like that one a lot. Gorgeous. And then Pastel Mauve Mega Mix. Don't know if you can see the iridescence on that. Very pretty. And then Hollow Hot Pink Mermaid Tails. See there? They're kind of fun. And then I got, you know, one of them pom-poms. Do they call it a pom-pom? Magnetic. I got a yellow one in one of my subscription from an a&a. Yeah, so it's got these dangly pearls. So I'm guessing with these you either put it inside of the acrylic. Yeah, or you can stick it on. And then stick your pom-pom on. Cute. And then this box is never ending. This is really pretty. I've got quite a few of these actually, but there are some moons. Let's get a tray so I can show you. Yeah, so there's some stars, the starfish, some circles, some like hollow stars, and then 3, 6, 8, 8 pointed stars. And then you've got some like AB little crystals in there. Pretty, pretty. Okay, and then I got an A&A crystal adhesive, which is 15mm. That looks massive. Where? You know when you want something and you can't see it. I'm looking for my other glue. I can't see it. Here. Oh, it's 8mm. That's why. Because I'm so used to the Nao one. That is huge. So I was happy to get that. And then lastly, I got some Swarovski. I could never say that. Swarovski crystals. So we have, this is called Emerald Cut Flat Back. And there's 6 pieces. Very pretty. And then we got Rivoli triangle flat back, 12 pieces. Cute. And then Fan flat back blush rose, 6mm, 8 pieces. Should look like that. Love that colour. Beautiful. Right. Let me pop these back. Absolutely love this box. Right. Then we have this month's box. So again, card. Oh. Hi. In this month's sub, you have got 2 extra glitters and £12 worth of Swarovski crystals. Enjoy, A&A. Cute. Right. Let's start with the glitters. So we have Mirrorball Shining Lime. These are all perfect for spring or summer. We're coming into summer now. Wouldn't believe it though, would you? Coral Kisses Special Mix. I've got this. I purchased this last month sometime. Very, very pretty. Love that. We got 3D triangles in pink glass. Very pretty. And some pink Cancer ribbons. I've got pink Cancer ribbons, but not in this pink. I've got them in more of a baby blue. Baby pink. They're lovely. Then some tiny hearts, which is in fire red. I like them. Uh, 3D Diamonds Black Magic. Love these. I think I've got some of these from Glitter Planet. They're really, really pretty. Love them a lot. Then Party Rings in purple. I love these. I've seen loads of people use these. And I like these because they're not massive circles. So they're hollow circles, and then the cutout is in here as well. I like them ones. I like them a lot. Then some iridescent yellow daisies. They're really cute. Sorry, I was just itching my eye. Yeah, they're really, really cute. Beautiful. Then we got some more crystal adhesive. I'm glad. And then I got, this doesn't have a name on it, but they're like a gold, gold star. Shall I take them out? Let's take them out and I'll give you a proper look. Jesus. And them ones are upside down. But they are pretty. Just stick them back in there. And some bow tie flat back crystals. There's 8 of those. Wow, they are very pretty. Gorgeous. And then lastly, Navette flat back crystals AB. 16 pieces. I get scared to open these because I think they're going to all go flying. Why does that always happen? It always wow, these are really, really pretty. Oh, I love them. So pretty. So that is the end. So happy with this subscription. I've been getting them for a fair few months now, and I am never disappointed. Oh my god, come on. Absolutely love them, they're beautiful. Right, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I will leave the link to a&a's glitter down below. Yeah, so go over, and if you're not subscribed, go over to the channel and have a look. They've got some amazing glitters on there. Like I say, I've been buying from them for a long time now. I have a folder dedicated to a&a glitter. Right, I am off. Take care everyone, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.